Hi students, here it is a simple program how to convert my given dollars to the rupees. Let us take I'm giving the number of dollars equal to 10. So how do you convert? Very simple thing is, so if the cost of the $1 in Indian rupees is, let us assume something 79.03. So what I'm doing, I'm converting that. So I'm multiplying the number of dollar values with this value. Then I can display the value in the form of the rupees. If my value is in the form of the rupees, then how do you identify the number of dollars to it? Just 2p by 79.03. Then you can find out how many dollars you get for that much of the amount. Simple, just only find the value of the dollar and substitute it in the formulas. Don't want to print this decimal values, just what you do, you use 2 forward slashes. See, then it's giving only printing 126. The difference between the single forward slash and double forward slash. Double forward slash is called a float difference.